In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to select multiple objects in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're working on logos, illustrations, social media graphics, or complex layouts, knowing how to quickly select multiple elements will save you a huge amount of time and make your workflow much smoother. If you're new to Illustrator or just want to speed things up, this is a fundamental skill you need to master. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Adobe Illustrator. Once your file is open and you can see your objects on the artboard, the first thing you need to do is select the Selection tool. You can find it at the top of the toolbar on the left side of the screen. It looks like a black arrow. You can also quickly activate it by pressing the letter V on your keyboard. This is the main tool used to select and move objects in Illustrator. Now, to select a single object, simply click on it once with the Selection tool. You'll see a bounding box appear around the object, which means it's selected and ready to be moved, resized, or edited. But what if you want to select more than one object? To select multiple objects individually, start by clicking the first object. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on any additional objects you want to include in your selection. Each object you click while holding Shift will be added to the selection. You'll see bounding boxes appear around all selected items. This method is perfect when your objects are spaced apart, or when you only want to select specific elements instead of everything in one area. If you accidentally select something you don't want, simply keep holding Shift and click that object again to deselect it. That's a quick way to fine-tune your selection without starting over. Now let's look at another powerful method. If you have multiple objects grouped closely together, you can use a selection box. With the Selection tool still active, click on an empty area of your artboard. Then click and drag your mouse to create a rectangular selection box. Any object that falls completely inside that box will be selected when you release the mouse button. This method is much faster when you're working with many objects in the same area. Just drag around them and Illustrator will automatically select everything inside the box. However, keep in mind that only the objects fully inside the selection box will be selected. If part of an object is outside the box, it may not be included depending on your selection direction and settings. If you want to be extra precise, you can zoom in using Ctrl++ on Windows or Command++ on Mac. Zooming in helps you avoid accidentally selecting objects you didn't intend to include. Once multiple objects are selected, you can move them together, resize them proportionally, align them, group them, or apply colors and effects to all of them at the same time. This is especially useful when you're adjusting layouts or organizing complex designs. And that's it. That's how you select multiple objects in Adobe Illustrator, using the Shift key method or by dragging a selection box. Mastering these two simple techniques will dramatically speed up your design workflow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.